guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for today's video, which is actually going to be not just today, but I'm going to be making some homemade Starbucks drinks. So I put on my Instagram story for video ideas, and this was actually highly requested. So I've picked 3 different Starbucks recipes to do over the span of like 3 days, obviously. So I'm going to tell you guys what they are. So the first one is the caramel macchiato drink, iced, which is what we're making today. Then we have the matcha lemonade, which I had in Disney once and was really good if you watched my Disney Springs vlog. And then I'm also trying the pink drink, which we've tried before, but I'll put it in the video still because it's super good. So today we are making the caramel macchiato. The ingredients in this are vanilla syrup, which I have here, ice, cold milk, which got here. We have 2 shots of espresso, which I have in my mug here. And then we have 1 tablespoon of caramel sauce, which mine is salted caramel, but I feel like that'll be like even better. The first instruction is to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla syrup to the bottom of your cup. So it's 16 ounces. This is my 16-ounce reusable Starbucks cup, which was like $3 at Starbucks. Super cheap, so I definitely recommend getting one of these. But I have my tablespoon here and my vanilla syrup. This is like the Village Coffee House brand. I don't know. That's what it looks like. It was $5.99 from Winners. Alright, so I'm going to measure this out. I have my 1 tablespoon, and I think it literally just says put it at the bottom of your cup. So I'm literally just gonna pour that into the bottom of my cup. Then we need to add ice cubes until the glass is about half full. So I'm gonna grab ice and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my cup half full with ice, and then it says slowly pour the milk over the ice cubes, which it's 1/3 cup cold milk. I am going to measure this just to be safe. Wait, 1/3 cup is not a lot of milk. This is 1/3 cup, so I don't know. But we're going to pour it in. That is not a lot. Okay, so now it says add more ice until it almost reaches the top of the cup. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So that was like a lot of ice in this cup. So I did it to about here and I just left a little bit of space. And now it says slowly pour espresso over the top, which I have my espresso in this cup here. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that. And then it says to do it really fast because it's going to mix. So now I need to do my caramel sauce, and it just says to drizzle it over the top. So I'm going to do like, I don't know how much to do, so I just have to add it and then taste it after. Alright, so this is what my drink looks like before I mix it. I'm going to grab a picture while it still looks really pretty. So this looks so, oh, it's blurry. So this looks really delicious, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and stir this up now. Get all that vanilla off the bottom. Oh, the caramel's like on my straw. That looks so good. It does. Okay, ready? I'm gonna taste test it. Ooh, wow. That's actually better than I thought it was gonna be. The vanilla like definitely takes away a bit from the coffee, which I like because I'm not a big coffee drinker. That's really good though. I feel like it needs a little bit more caramel. But other than that, I feel like it was a really good success. I definitely recommend trying this. My mom's actually trying hers with this skinny brew that she has, which is like super good for you and it helps you lose weight and gives you energy. So she's gonna try it with that and her espresso. So I'll get her reaction of her trying it. But this is actually pretty good. I definitely recommend.
And I hate coffee, but that's not bad.
I know, right? It's like not as strong as coffee as you thought it would be.
That's pretty good. Mine's gonna be even better because it'll be very coffee.
Yeah.
Make mine.
So I will see you guys day 2 making the matcha lemonade. Hey guys, and welcome to, oh wait, I already did my intro yesterday. Okay, so it's day 2, welcome back. It's literally the next day. But today we are making matcha lemonade. I'm super excited for this. As I mentioned previously, My mom and I tried matcha lemonade in Disney Springs when we went to Florida in the winter. I'll put a picture of it here. It was actually really, really good. So today all we need is some lemonade, which I got here. This is President's Choice. And then I have this organic sweet matcha. It's like matcha powder in a bag. I just found it at Winners. It was $4.99. So the first thing we need to do, also I couldn't find like a straight recipe for this. I kind of looked at like TikTok videos and a few Pinterest things and kind of like mixed them together, and I'm hoping it'll work. So first we need to obviously put ice in our cup, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I have my cup filled to about to this third line here on my Starbucks cup. And now we are going to open our lemonade. So we're gonna pour the lemonade to the third line, maybe a bit above it. Thank you. Okay, so we have our lemonade. Next, we're going to open, also this is from Touch Organic, in case you guys were wondering the brand. I'm gonna open this up, and this comes with 20 pouches, so if I really like this, I'll just be able to make it 19 more times. This is what they come in, these little tubes here. I've seen in like TikTok videos, they mix the matcha powder into a bowl, which I have here. And my mom said that matcha has to be like really mixed on that cut. We're gonna pour this into our bowl. Oh wow, that smells like green tea. So now I'm going to fill this to about here with water, and then I'm going to go ahead and start mixing it. Okay, so we've got our little baby whisk here. I'm gonna start whisking this up. So this looks pretty green. You guys can't really see how green this is, but we're going to go ahead and just pour this into the drink and hope for the best. Oh, there's a bunch of chunks at the bottom still. But this, oh my gosh, that's so pretty.
Pretty.
That's really, really pretty. This looks so pretty. I'm gonna snap a picture of this. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this now and try it out. I'm like really scared to try this. Okay, ready? Oh wow, that's actually good. It does have a bit of a tea taste to it. That's really good though. I'm trying to remember exactly what the one in Florida tasted like. It was like decently close to this. I feel like a little splash more of lemonade, and it's perfect. Wow, that's really good. Okay, I definitely recommend trying this if you like matcha, even if you don't. I've never had it before, so I didn't know if I liked it, but I just tried it. This is really good. I definitely recommend. That's really good. It tastes a little bit more like a tea.
Definitely has the green tea taste in it. It's good though.
Yeah. Well, I definitely recommend trying this green tea matcha lemonade. It's super good. Yeah. I will see you guys tomorrow when we are officially making the last drink, which is a pink drink. Okay guys, we are back. It's off-centered. So we are back, day 3 of making homemade Starbucks drinks. I have Stranda here because she's going to be making the drink today with me. She's also got her homemade mask on. She made it herself.
Yeah, I sewed it.
But today we are making the famous pink drink. We already have tried this before, but I thought I'd include it in the video because first off, it's super easy, and also the pink drink is my favorite drink. It's super easy. You need 2 ingredients. The first one is any kind of like strawberry, cranberry, peach, any kind of like berry tasting juice. We have the strawberry peach one, and then you will also need coconut oil.
Oil?
I mean coconut milk. So I already pre-did the ice because it's just easier. We have our Starbucks cup with our ice in it. So first thing we're gonna do is we're going to pour this juice up to about the 3rd line here on our cup.
So I get none?
Now that we have our juice here, we're going to take our coconut milk and really just do kind of like a splash of it, really just to...
So I would recommend, that one is already shaken, but you should tell them.
Oh, yes. But this is already shaken, but definitely shake your coconut milk before you ever pour it into your drink. 'Cause it's nasty. Now we're just going to go ahead and pour some coconut milk in it, do a splash more, and then we are going to mix it together. And you can already see it's starting to go a lot more light pink. Really just taste test it and see whether you want more juice or if you need more coconut milk. This is actually perfect. So it tastes a little bit different, but honestly, I feel like this is the closest that I've ever tasted a homemade pink drink. Good? All right, definitely approved by every single girl in our house who's tried it, which is a lot more pink. It looks definitely a lot more like the pink drink.
So that's
with see that?
Strawberry lemonade and coconut.
So I actually smelt it, which just sounds really weird, but she bought it, so I didn't try it. But I smelt it, and it smelled a lot like the strawberry acai with lemonade, which makes sense because it's strawberry lemonade. So I feel like that would taste really close to the actual pink drink. But this is pretty close too, so I definitely recommend trying this. I don't think we had a full recipe for this.
Nope.
Really, so I can't really. The only thing I'm linking down below is for the caramel macchiato, because the other stuff I just kind of winged researching a bunch of stuff. I definitely recommend trying every single Starbucks drink that I tried in this video, because it is so worth it. It is so delicious, and it's definitely a lot cheaper too. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, or even if you guys tried out some of the drinks, which would be really cool, leave a like down below and comment if you tried any of these and how you liked them. And I guess that's it for today's video. So if you enjoyed it, oh wait, I already said that. I always repeat myself. So I'll see you in the next video. Love you all.
California's got me looking like a beach ball. Sun up in my head.